Hi, my name is Angelique. I'm from Jackals and Bites. So, my biggest takeaway in enrolling in PCBI is actually the system. I really didn't expect na sobrang dami mong matututunan dito. Not just coffee. Kasi initial expectation ko is all about coffee lang. Coffee alone. And hindi ko in-expect na ma-applicable siya in all aspects, like business aspect. Tapos, um, yung price niya, baka, I mean, mataas siya compared sa iba, pero hindi eh. Kasi once you're here, andito na lahat. Tapos, matututunan mo talaga yung all about coffee, yung origin, saan nanggaling, anong characteristics and all. Especially for me na hindi talaga ako umiinom ng kape. So, wala akong expectation talaga. Kasi nga, wala akong idea at all. Pero it turns out na iniiwasan ko yung coffee for no reason. Tapos, ayun, sobrang dami talagang matututunan. System, business, coffee, basta lahat-lahat na. So, enroll na kayo.